Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be planting a little bit more seeds. This is not at the 2-week marker. We are not ready to do our next succession of planting for the regular grow lights, but today we're actually going to start the AeroGarden. We have 3 leftover plants from last year. We're going to try to plant, they're all peppers. We did plant our first set of tomatoes and eggplant and a couple other peppers. If you're interested in seeing that, check out the video above. Otherwise, these are what we're going to be planting today. We have our purple super hots, which sprout in 8 to 14 days. And then we have our red fire peppers, which sprout in 14 to 21 days. Now these are gonna go in here and we're gonna transplant them. Once they get to a certain height where this AeroGarden can no longer hold them anymore, we're gonna transplant them into some pots and we'll put them under some grow lights. We did that last year. Again, we'll leave a link above. But I think this did really well for our jalapenos that we transplanted last year, and also the super hots that we did last year. They did really well. We reaped the benefits of those for quite a long time. Now that's not it. We've got some other stuff we're going to be doing, and I'm going to take you along on our little journey. So let's get moving. Now setup for this is really quite simple. First, we're going to add our water. Then you replace the lid and add your seed cones. Now it comes with these plastic lids to help keep in the moisture, so you're going to put these on top of each one of the cones. And every time you get one of these seed packs, it comes with its own liquid plant food. And this is made by Miracle-Gro. And it requires that you add 2 capfuls to start with, and then because of the size of the AeroGarden, we're going to add 2 capfuls every couple weeks. Now, when you plug this in, that's when the timer is going to set. So if you don't want it to start right away and you want it to start at a particular time in the morning, then that's when you're going to have to plug it in to start the system. And once it's plugged in, you just let it run. Alright, so that's all set up, so we're ready to go. Now, Griffin's been talking to me for the last week or so about wanting a campfire. And I've had this fire pit filled up for quite a while. We've been adding stuff to the burn pile. So I think we're going to get it going and make some s'mores. Just hold on to it. Don't stick it in the ground because you're going to be putting marshmallows on it. Again, what are we doing?
We're making a campfire.
And what are we about to do?
We're going to stick it in with marshmallows.
Make s'mores?
Yeah! Let's do it!
We're gonna make a sandwich, okay? Put the chocolate on the...
Okay.
Hold this.
Okay.
Now. Push down. Hot. Be careful.
Right here now?
Yeah, take a bite of it. Tell me what you think. Awesome, bud. You made your first s'more. What do you got?
S'more.
What do we make the s'more on?
Fire. That s'more is very yummy.
Griffin, what do we do to put out a fire, keep it under control? What do we use?
Water and sand.
What do we have?
Water.
So that's what we're gonna use, right?
Yeah.
everything we're burning is burning really well. The problem we have is it is creating a little bit of ash. So we do have our hose out here. We did bust it out. It's about 25 degrees. So the entire line was frozen from sitting in our storage area. So I had to lay it out in the sun just to give it a chance to thaw out a little bit. I had water running through it while it was out, and eventually it did unclog and get opened up all the way so we can use it. So now, because there's so much ash, what we're going to be doing is just making sure the ash stays down. So we're going to put a layer of water on top of it just to keep everything matted down so it doesn't start blowing around everywhere. And just like Griffin said, we're going to be using water and not sand today. Hey bud, where did you learn that about water and sand?
From Paw Patrol.
Who told you that?
Ryder.
Ryder did? Oh, okay. Now the stones I used to make this fire pit, I actually pulled from around the house. We had these lava rocks scattered all throughout the house inside of all of our landscaping. Didn't really like it. They had an old, the old fire pit actually used, I believe, just field stones, and it was real small. So I wanted something more hefty, something with a higher wall, and this is what I came up with.
It's great that we're out here making s'mores.
Yes, it is, buddy.
It's great to have a fire out making s'mores.
Yes, it is. Now it's too cold to leave all this stuff hooked up, so we're going to detach it and drain the hose and put it all back away. The easy way to drain the hose is just lift it and dump it.
And I think thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.